Yo, what is going on, everybody? Welcome to the new YouTube video. Today, we're doing something a little bit different. We're going to be showing how much small YouTubers make and going to break down all of my analytics. If you don't already know, I stream on Twitch every single day except Sundays, a link down in the description below. Also, if you like these types of videos and you would like to see more, please don't forget to subscribe and drop a like. Also, please let me know in the comments down below if you like the videos with the face cam or without it. Let's get right into the video. Before I start showing you any of my analytics, you need to know that if you want to make money on YouTube, you need to become a YouTube partner. And to do that, you need to do these minimum steps over here. So you need to follow all the YouTube monetization policies. You need to live in a country or a region where the YouTube partner program is available, obviously. You need to have more than 1,000 subscribers, have a LinkedIn AdSense account, and you need to have over 4,000 valid public watch hours in the last 12 months. A lot of YouTubers are struggling with this step right here, getting 4,000 hours of watch time. It takes a while. It took me like 11 months. So if you're grinding out hard and you believe in yourself, you will get that. Trust me. When you actually do all of that stuff, you will need to go to your AdSense account and you will need to request this code right here. So you'll put your payment method and all that stuff in your address, and they will send you this paper right here with AdSense, and then that will have a 6-digit, I think it's a 6-digit pin that you will receive, and you will have to confirm your address. That's the only way you can confirm it. Once you do confirm it and make minimum, I think on YouTube it's $100 or 70 euros, they will start sending you money. So let's check my analytics right here. So you can see right here that I have under 2,000 subscribers. Currently, we are in 1,916 subscribers. Our summary last 28 days is a little bit low because I didn't upload for 2 weeks. I was busy and I was a little bit burnt out. So I didn't upload for 2 weeks. So my numbers are going down a little bit, but it doesn't really matter. What you guys are interested in is how much money small YouTubers make. So if we go to analytics right here, we open it up, you can see that in the last 28 days, I made $25 in estimated revenue. Currently, we have 19,000 views in 28 days, 886 hours of watch time, 74 new subscribers, and then $25 in the estimated revenue. This is updating real time right here. So you can see my current subscribers, you can see my current views. They go from around 1,000 to around 3,000 to 4,000 in the last 48 hours. Depends how good my videos are and how much they blow up. You can see my top videos over here, how much I get like per 48 hours. I usually get around 300, 500, and then depends on the video itself. Some of the videos take months to blow up. Like for example, one of my Fortnite videos, like this one, actually like it's this one is from September 2019, and it started blowing up maybe like 2 months ago out of nowhere, and now it's like on almost 10,000 views, I think, which is absolutely crazy. Like it had 100 views at the beginning. Now it's on like 10,000. I don't know how, but that's the YouTube algorithm. So if you want to grow and you want to build your community, you need to keep grinding every single time. And one of the videos will pick up and your channel will start growing. I've been uploading videos for around a year and maybe 1 month now. So this is still the beginning. You can see over here, right now they're having some issues, but that shouldn't matter. Over here, we have some top videos in this period. So this is in 28 days. So we have one of my videos has 5,000 views, 3 minutes of average view duration, which is really, really good. You know, it's 40%, 50%. Usually you need to have like 50% view duration, you know, half of the video. And let's check out the reach now. So reach, I have around 109,000 impressions and 11% click-through ratio. That is actually really good. A lot of people want, like, I've seen a lot of YouTubers talk about this, and they say if you're around 10% click-through ratio, that is really good. So if you have 10% or more, just know that is a really good number. You know, that's how many people actually click on your videos when they see them on the recommended or on the YouTube page. Make sure to have clickbaity thumbnails, not too clickbaity, but just enough so people will click on them. Around 20,000 views, 15,000 unique viewers. You can see where the traffic is coming from. We have a YouTube search mostly because I'm making searchable content that people search. External, we have 21%. This is most likely like Google or something, when people search the topic on Google and they the YouTube video shows up on the Google search. So they click on it, it shows as external. I don't know why, even though it's still a YouTube, it still opens the video on the website, but whatever. We have some direct, this is from my stream most likely. Some browse features, suggested videos, and then other stuff. Those are not the best numbers. We have traffic source, you know, where they're coming from. Obviously, you can see right here, Google search or Bing or whatever else. We have the traffic source where the suggested videos are coming from, which videos are actually suggested. You can see my Escape from Tarkov videos, some Valorant videos, all of that stuff. If you don't know, I make gaming videos. I mean, I forgot to say that before, but obviously from my content before, you can see I create a lot of gaming videos, a lot of searchable ones like tutorials, tips and trick videos. That's what I know people will search, and that's what helped me grow my channel. You can see the engagement right now. I have 886 hours of watch time. If I put this on lifetime, you can see that we currently have 8,000 hours of watch time. Like when I started making my videos, they were getting like maybe 1 hour, 8 hours of watch time per day, which is not enough. If you want to get YouTube partnership, you need to have 4,000 hours of watch time in 12 months. So when I actually started making searchable videos, like first I was making just some regular Fortnite videos, just boring stuff. And then later on, I started making searchable videos and they got 20 hours of watch time, 50 hours of watch time per day. I got me like one day I even reached, what is this? 104 hours of watch time. I don't know which video that was. That was, oh, actually 3 videos. It was all the Valorant ones. So those blew up, and then now it started going down because the lack of the uploads, but still you can see they're doing pretty well. You can see which videos are actually, they have the most watch time. Like this one has 1.6 thousand hours itself. And on the revenue side, which you guys are the most excited about, we can check that in the lifetime. So from March 13th till July 29th, which is today, or now it's 30, but it shows from yesterday, I reached $104.67 in estimated revenue. So this is my own money. This is with the YouTube cut. So you can see the RPM. I usually get around 0.55 per day. Keep in mind, I got partnered on YouTube right here. So that was April 24th. So that was around 3 to 4 months ago. Not too long ago. That's why the revenue is not that big. But you can see in 3-4 months, I started getting some money, some traction. If you think about it, I was getting maybe like, as I said, 1,000, 2,000 views per 24 hours or per 48 hours actually. So I was getting around $1 per day, which is not a lot of money, but for a small YouTuber, like I'm a full-time streamer. I create content on other websites as well, like YouTube and Instagram and Twitter. This is great external source of income, which is bonus, and I like it. Playback, we have CPM over here, playback-based CPM, $4.38, which is all right. I see a lot of YouTubers with around $4 to $6 CPM. That's cost per mile, which is cost per 1,000 views. This is split with YouTube. So YouTube takes 50%, and then you get another, like you just get a half. But for gaming content, making $4.38 CPM, that's really good. We have top earning videos. We can see which videos actually started getting a lot of money. Keep in mind, these videos were uploaded before when I got a YouTube partnership. So this video, for example, let's see how many videos, how many views it has. So this video has 24,009, so almost 25,000 views, but I uploaded it before I got partnered. So I uploaded it 22nd of February. That was 2 months before I got partnered. So all the videos or all the views that came before the partnership did not actually count. So I only made 20 bucks, which is actually not that bad for a 5-month video, 5-month-old video. That's actually not that bad. We have the custom extraction guide from Escape from Tarkov as well, which made $16. We have the crosshair settings for Valorant. This one actually, I think, this one has 24,000, almost 25,000 views as well. And this one was uploaded a few days, or I think it was a few days before the partnership. So almost all the views are actually counted for the revenue. Like all the ads were actually rolling since the start. So that's actually pretty decent. We have all these other Valorant and Escape from Tarkov videos that made the most money. You can see the ad types. You have the skippable video ads. They make the most. Bumper ads. We have display ads. some unknown, I don't know what this is, but 0%. Non-skippable video ads are 30%. I usually go for, on my videos, I usually go for these kind of ads. So I go on the video itself, monetization. I go for all 3 ads. So like pre-rolls, mid-rolls, and post-rolls. On my mid-rolls, I usually try to find the center. So I try to find the middle of the video, and then I just find the part where I stop talking, or there's nothing important going on. Then I insert 1 ad. If the video is more than 10 minutes long, maybe 20 minutes or 15 minutes, I try to put 2 ads, but I don't want to spam it too much where people are too annoyed and they're just gonna leave the video. So I try to put it 1 in the middle of the video where people, you know, already are engaged, they're already following the topic, and then boom, ad. Easy. Yeah, so usually, I mean, these all 3 ads, they're not gonna show at once. Only some of them will show up. And I also enabled all of the ads over here as well. Again, not every single video will have all these 3 ads. That's just, if somebody gets an ad, they can get either a pre-roll, mid-roll, or a post-roll. That's it. Okay, so I just put a custom date over here. So when I got partnered, since then until today, how many views we had and how much money we generated. So apparently it still shows the general views for some reason, but we have 190,000 views. This is total. For some reason it shows the total views anyway. 8,000 hours of watch time, 1.8 thousand subscribers. This is weird because it says 1.9 over here, but whatever. And $104 generated revenue. As I said, small YouTubers don't make a lot of money. Depends. Some of them, you know, have less subscribers, but more views. Again, subscribers don't matter at all for the money, for the generated revenue. All it matters are the views and people that actually see the ads. You know, some people have YouTube Premium. They still pay out even though they don't see the ad because they're paying for the YouTube Premium. I don't know the exact number how much they pay out, but if people have ad blockers and other stuff that blocks the ads, they will not give you any money because they didn't actually see the ad. The ad didn't roll for them. Again, it also depends where the people are coming from, where they live, where they're watching the video from, and if they actually completed the ad, if they skipped the ad, all of that matters. I don't know the exact numbers, but from as you can see, in 4 months, we generated $104. I would say that's pretty decent. I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to smash that like button down below, subscribe, and turn on the bell for the future notifications. Currently, only 1.3% of the people are subscribed. It's going up every single day, so that's good. You know, we started with like 0.5%, now it's 1.3%. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. I really appreciate you. If you want to increase this number, please drop a sub. Help me out. Again, I stream on Twitch every single day except Sundays. Link down in the description below if you want to see my live streams. Anyway, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.